How fast can I fly? Super fast. The fastest. I'm the fastest one. Don't check with Advent. Well, see, I need to fly. You know what? You wanna know why I need to fly? Because everyone in Advent is taller than me, and when we walk, right? Every one stride of Narissa is like 2 of mine. So I have to like walk more because of short legs. So I have to like go faster because it takes, yeah, because legs small. Yeah, short shuffle. Yeah, what is this? Ooh. Oh, flashbang! Don't look! It's a bean. Hey! Zelda, your outfit is different. Why is your outfit different? You changed clothes. Touch? Hand touch? Lewd? Lewd? Lewd hand touch? Don't do it. Don't do it. That's lewd. That's lewd. Holding hands is lewd. Well, now they're having babies. Oh. Oh. Shiny arm? Zelda, no! Why do you keep disappearing? Come back. Take responsibility for touching my hand. She doesn't want custody. That's how kids are made. You touch hands. That's why you shouldn't touch people's hands. Because that's how kids are made, right? Hands. Yeah, anyway.
Oh man.